yourselves, come on.
Hi, this is Janvi Panchal and today I'm going to tell you. Hi, this is Janvi Panchal and I'm back again at Stop Expecting, Start Exploring. We all know Swami Vivekananda, yes? He was a great leader, a great philosopher. And a short story about him, that is, he was having a long trek in the Himalayas when he saw an old man standing hopelessly and extremely exhausted on an upward slope. And that old man said to Swamiji in a hushed voice that the road which I see before me is very hard. I can't pass that road. Please help me to cross it. So the Swamiji said to that old man, replied to that old man very patiently, and he said that, look down at your feet. The road that is under your feet is the road that you have passed. And it's the same road that you see before you. It shall soon come under your feet. So don't forget to explore more of yourselves. Don't forget to face the hardships, because in reality, hardships are the real happiness. In getting success, we have to make a lot of sacrifices. And in those sacrifices, there are a lot of hardships, always. So face the terrible, face it boldly. Don't get afraid to lose anything. Cowards don't win victories. So we need to face the fear, we need to face the troubles, we need to face the ignorance if we expect them to flee before us. Name the known and unknown personalities. Maybe it would be Gandhiji, it would be, Mother Teresa, it would be Jawaharlal Nehru, it would be Bhagat Singh, it would be Chandrasekhar Azad, it would be Pooja Thakur, and etc. etc. All of them. Even the unknown personalities, it would be you, it would be me, and anyone else, because everyone in this world, to explore life, we need to face struggles, we need to face the troubles and the struggles in life, because this is what life is. This is what we are here for. In this world, to be great, there are three things. Number one is success. Now what is success? Almost every people think that failure is an opposite of success. I say no, failure is the first part of success. If you're failing at that time, consider yourself to be success, because failures are the stepping stones to success. So don't get. The second is patience. Time and tide waits for none. So give it a time. Time heals everything. Have patience in life. All the successful people always have patience in life. So wait for something which is great for everyone and which is great for everything. The number third is responsibility. Your ability needs to have a response. So have a response, give it a response. Have responsibility on life. Face the challenges, face the troubles, and that is when you come up in your life. Control what's happening. Challenge yourself the way you respond to control what's happening. That's where your power is. You know what? Don't lose the hunger to be the best. You have to be or to be number one. And always remember, you failed when you stop trying. So explore yourself and stop expecting. Lastly, I would like to tell that learning is an inevitable process. So don't wait for anyone. Instead, go ahead and chase all the victories that is meant just for you. Stay healthy, stay safe, and don't go out of your houses unless and until it is important for you to go out. I'll be back with some amazing videos. Till then, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon on so that you can get the updates of this channel. Thank you so much.